Congratulations on completing this Canva crash course. By now, you should have a good understanding on how to use Canva's basic features, but also a bit more of an idea of what this tool can do for you, your business, or your personal brand. Now, I wouldn't say you are a Canva expert just yet. It takes a bit more than 2 hours to fully master such a comprehensive tool as Canva. Indeed, there's a lot of things we didn't have time to cover in this introduction course, like how to set up your brand kits in Canva to always design on brand, how to organize your Canva files with folders, how to create websites with Canva, or a deeper dive into all of the AI-powered tools Canva has in store for us to boost our productivity, how to work with animations and add movement to your designs, how to use Canva docs and Canva whiteboards, etc., etc. I mean, there's only so much you can do in 2 hours, right? Well, the good news, I guess, if you enjoyed our style and this little getting started course, is that you'll probably love our longer, deeper Canva courses. Diana and I have been teaching on Udemy for a very long time already and have other courses I'm sure you will find valuable. We'll leave some links to these courses in the bonus lecture at the end of the curriculum of this course. So make sure you check that out if you want to continue your Canva education. And that's it for me. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next course.